Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Veronica, and today I'm coming at you guys with a Shapermint haul featuring their latest addition to their Shapermint collection, the Everyday Empower Jacquard Shaper shorts. So as you guys know, I love Shapermint pieces. Their shapewear is so comfortable and so good, and it really does compress the body without feeling uncomfortable. Like, you can literally have a full meal and still feel good in your Shapermint. I feel like personally, I was actually sitting down, lounging on the couch with my Shapermint on under this dress, and to be honest, like, I did not feel uncomfortable, and I haven't been feeling like I want to take it off just yet. So yeah, let's get into this video. Alrighty, you guys, so the Shapermint shapewear comes in these little packages. It's again called the Everyday Empower Jacquard Shaper shorts, and really good packaging, I must say. So let's give it a peek inside. We got black, and then we have like this neutral color. As you can see, they look like this. And I got this in a size 3XL. They're actually very thick. They're very, very thick. So you know that they're going to give me a really, really good shape. And then I have these tan color. Oh yeah, I like this one too. This very neutral color. You can see more of the detailing on this one, which is really nice. All right, so this is what the product looks like. I think with the tan version, you can see it really well. We have this beautiful breathable fabric. It's very thick, and it's in a size 3X, but it's really, really nice. On here, we have the gelatin around the high waistband area, which is really good, as well as some pleating to kind of keep everything secure and up, which is really nice. So I think that's going to be definitely an essential for this piece because it is a thicker fabric. We also have the targeting compressing panels against the grain of the product, as you can see. And then there's some added gust for just extra protection and extra comfort, which is really good. So this is really, really, really pretty. I like this type of style shapewear. I do love a good short. And then around the bottom area on the back of the shaper piece, we do have this buttocks area where it's actually thinner than the rest of the coating of the fabric. So I think this is definitely gonna give me some shape, girl. And we're gonna definitely wear it with this dress because this is obviously the most see-through dress that I have in this in my collection. So let's get into this video. Okay, so this is what the shapewear is looking like. We did have to do a little pull, but once it's on, it feels very, very comfortable against the body, against the skin. Do I gotta breathe a little bit? Yes. But it feels really good around the belly area, especially the bottom area. It fits really, really good. You can feel the intensity of the waistline going a little bit. It is hugging the girl in a little bit, but it feels really, really nice. Overall, it looks like this. I hope you guys can see it fairly. The back is high, which is really good. And then it kind of just like does its thing. Like, I don't feel like I have any back fat at the moment, which is really good. And then again, just the waistline area, it just feels really, really nice. Overall, I love, love, love how this feels against the body. The thigh area is not rolling up. This high waistline area is not rolling down. I feel protected. I feel like I can wear this all day. However, there is no crotch area to pee. So if that's something that you're looking for, this is not the jam. But again, like I said, you do feel that compression area around the waistline, around the belly area. So you're definitely getting all the protection that you need when wearing this shapewear piece. So let's put down the dress and see what we're working with, y'all. This is really nice. It's very comfortable. It fits good. And I feel very confident in it. I don't feel like I need to take it off. I feel like if for any reason I'm just wearing a high-waisted short, but it feels like I'm protected and good. So yeah, I definitely like this shapewear a lot. I think this one fits really well. It's very comfortable. It feels good on the skin. I love that it's in this beautiful cream tan color, which is really nice in case I do want to wear, you know, like a white dress or something. But again, we also have that black color. So let's give it a try. Let's see what we're working with. Hopefully it fits the same because it is the same size, and the color or the dyeing doesn't really mess up that type of situation. So let's see. Here is the other product. You can't really see much of the detailing. I don't know if you can see on camera, but I don't feel like you can, but we still have that compression detailing there. We still have that thin buttocks area. The quality in the product is very nice. I feel like it's a little tighter. I don't know, but it's a breathable fabric still. You still have that kind of that what is it called, that gelatin situation that I was talking about, and the panels on the side there. So I feel like overall same thing, but hopefully it fits the same. So let's give it a try. All right, I do like the black one. I like the black one just because black is what is it, especially for shapewear. But like, this is cute. This is good. It looks good on the body. It feels nice. There's no rolling on the thigh area. There's no rolling down on the high waist area. It feels just as good as the lighter one or the lighter version. So this is what it's looking like. Of course, I'm gonna roll it up for y'all so y'all can see. It goes right above the knee area, so you can definitely see all of the detailing with it. This is what the side looks like, the back. It's also giving a seamless finish on the body, which is great. And then of course that belly area where it's kind of tightening it all in, feeling good. This is really, really nice. I really do like this piece. I'm really excited for this as well because ideally I could wear this with any color dress, no matter what. So this is really good. So yeah, you guys, this is what these shapewear pieces are looking like. Again, I have the black one on, I have this tan one, we do have that compression, we have the buttocks area that's very thin. Like, the quality is breathable, it feels comfortable on the skin, which is really nice. I really do love this product. In comparison to the other ones that I've tried previously with Shapermint, I would say this product is a little bit thicker, but it definitely is giving you a lot of shape and having a lot of control around the belly, around the thigh area, kind of seamlessly making your cellulite disappear if that's what you're looking for. It feels really, really good on the body, and it just feels like a really great quality product, especially for the price that it's in. Alrighty, you guys, that is it for this video. I really love these Everyday Empower Jacquard Shaper shorts. They're very comfortable. I feel like they're super affordable. They're definitely where they need to be as far as getting good quality shapewear. And I think you guys are definitely going to like them for what they are and how they fit the body. I just feel like they're very, very comfortable, to be honest. So if you guys are looking for shapewear pieces, check out Shapermint. I have a discount code. I have a link below. I have all the information there, including the other video that I did with Shapermint. There's also other shapewear pieces such as like this bra. It's a very, very comfortable. It's super stretchy. It definitely hugs in the body and holds the girls in well. So if you're looking for affordable shapewear pieces that are going to feel comfortable on the skin, Shapermint is the way to go. So yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, comments, because they're, you know the deal, put them in the comments below and I'll definitely get back to you. But other than that, definitely a great buy, definitely great quality products, and I'm feeling them. So yeah, check them out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.